Hello everyone, today we have Mr. Boyd's 370Z in. It's getting some admin 3-inch intakes installed. And we're going to be retuning her and seeing what kind of power she'll lay down. Most of you guys know I'm a big fan of the stock intakes on these cars, but we're going to be improving them with some admin 3-inch intakes. These are probably our favorite intakes that are on the market. You can see both of the pipes are perfectly symmetrical, which is nice. Got nice free-flowing intakes, everything you need. My only gripe would be you have to trim the couplers to length yourself, which is not really a big deal, but it would be easier if they were already fitted. And I'm not super crazy about T-bolt clamps. I'd rather just use a nice high-quality worm clamp. Some of these T-bolt clamps would start messing up on you after you tighten and loosen them a few times. But overall, probably the highest quality intake kit that we have on the market for these cars. She'll lay down most power out of any intake out there. So we'll get them installed and get it on the dyno this weekend and see what kind of power she'll lay down. Just wanted to touch on one little part of the install on the admin tuning intakes, or really any intakes that you bring out into your bumper area through the core support. You can see this is the factory hole for the filter box. You can see it can be kind of restricting when trying to put a big piece of pipe through there. So that's what it looks like stock, and this is what it looks like after we clearance it out. You can see we trimmed all that extra plastic out around here so those couplers can pass through here uninterfered. The tools I use to do this are an air saw, and I cut out a large part at first with the air saw. Then I take a rotary tool and clean the hole up. These are pretty nice finished hole through there. But that's the way we do it. There's many other ways, but this is the way we do it. Just finishing up the install on the admin tuning 3-inch intakes here on the 370Z. As you can see, they look great, they fit great, and they perform great. Now we just have to get in and rescale some things in the ECU so she'll run properly. And hopefully this weekend she'll make some jam on the dyno. We just finished up the installation of the admin 3-inch intakes on Cody's 370Z. These are the best looking, best fitting, and best performing intakes that we've tested to date for the 370Z, or anything using this 3.7 liter engine.